morning, friends. Today is Vlogmas day 2, and I know I'm wearing the same shirt. It's just that I'm at home and it's a comfy shirt, so I put it on again today. I hope you guys don't mind, but I'm just gonna make my bed, make myself some coffee, do some random things around the house. I thought I would try to record. Don't know if it's gonna go up or not with the vlog, but we shall see. Today's a very cold day, so I don't see myself getting out very much today, and I woke up with a lot of stomach pain, so I don't know that I'll be doing a whole lot, but let's just go ahead and see what we can get. It's a small little haul that I did. Got a couple little just Christmas things. So I got this cute little reindeer ears that for me to wear in a video this month because they're super cute. I got 2 of these. They're novelty glasses. I got the Christmas trees and the reindeers. I just thought that when I'm not doing makeup, those are cute to wear during the video for fun. And then these might be a little irritating, but my daughter wanted me to get these. They are jingle bracelets, red and green. So she wanted me to wear these in a video. And so, got those. It might irritate people, so I don't know about that one yet. We got these for my son. They're candy cane spoons, peppermint flavor. You just put it in your hot cocoa or whatever and they melt. Guess they're like candy. So he's gonna love those because he loves hot chocolate. I picked up a rose water and honey facial wipes to try. This is the brand Valerio. And I heard Nona from My So-Called Life 1977, I think is her channel. But she raves about the Valerio wipes in the smaller package, so I thought I would try these in the bigger package. This is a, it doesn't say, it does have 32 wipes, excuse me, and I love rose water scent, so I thought, why not give those a try, tell you guys what I think. I picked up one of these little aroma diffusers that have been going around on YouTube, and on the picture, on Instagram, on the picture it looked like this was a lot bigger, but obviously it's not. I picked up one of these for a gift for someone, and although it's small, I just thought it was really cute and thought, you know, why not? So that was a gift idea for somebody. Who doesn't like that, I feel like. I did pick up 2 of these LED Christmas house lights. These are in the snowflakes. They're 10 lights and they look like that. Sorry about the glare. My hands are really shaky today. I picked up 2 of those for my background. I may still have them hang from the bottom, but I'm not sure. This is a little hand lotion my daughter picked up. This is in the scent grapefruit, so 1 fluid ounce. I forget what brand this is, I'm not sure. But it looks like that, very cute little llama. And then my daughter wanted this L'Oreal Colorista Spray 1-Day Color for hints and highlights. This is in pastel pink. And it looks like that. She picked up 2 of these. One she did already take from me. The cool thing is, I shared the pictures with you guys on my Instagram. The cool thing is they had so many different colors. They had green, blue. I tried to get my son to get one, but he wouldn't. But they had so many different colors, and I was very surprised to find these at Dollar Tree because they are still at Walmart and all of that. Okay, and then the last things in this bag, these are the LA Colors Jewel Eyes False Lashes. And they only had 3 styles, and I only got 1 of each because I have an overload of lashes. And these are not for me, these are for giveaways and gifts. So the first pair is Wander. Looks like that. See how one side goes super long and full and the other side tapers down, so this must be the end side. For $1, you cannot beat that. This one here is Brilliant. Super pretty. And then this one here is a lot fuller. This one is Precious. So like I told you guys, I'm going to be doing some random giveaways, and these are going to be part of that as well. Okay, and then just a couple other little things. I'm trying to make this video like have some time on it. That's why I'm adding this in. I thought, why not? I did get 2 more frames. I got an 8x10 and a 5x7 silver one. That is what that one looks like. I love their frames. You guys know that. This one's super cute because it has that matting already, that bordering that's going to make the picture look even nicer. And it feels pretty nice. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap, super cheap or anything like that. And I always tell you guys, if it breaks, I just go get another one. It's not a big deal. For $1, you cannot beat it. So I love their frames. Okay, and then the last one, this one here is an 8x10 of gold. I got this for a picture that I'm going to put everything that I picked up. Go make some coffee because I am needing it today. Okay, so I'm about to make some coffee, and I figured I would go ahead and, sorry if I keep looking over there, guys. I'm not used to filming on my phone. It's been a long time. But I thought I would just go ahead and put a couple loads of laundry, make myself a cup of coffee, and just bring you guys along. I mean, I don't know if you'll enjoy this. Some people do, some people don't, but you know. So today may be a me cleaning day, which I don't feel up to it. Just so much dishes and stuff that have to get put away. I use a little bit of this Chobani coffee creamer and hazelnut, just a tad. It's not sweet at all. And then I use just a little bit of the pumpkin spice Starbucks. In this kitchen. I want you guys to have to see me cleaning up everything because I love cleaning videos, but some people don't, and I don't want to overwhelm you guys with the cleaning and just do just that. So I'll be back a little bit later, guys. Hi friends, so I'm back on. I have not been feeling good all day today, so I'm just hoping I'm not getting sick. And so I'm gonna wash a few dishes, and it's really cold in my house, but I just put the fireplace on. I'm gonna wash some dishes and then put together a quick taco soup for dinner tonight because it's very, very cold here, and I just feel like it's something that I need for tonight. So I just thought I would record that to give a little bit more footage. And so yeah. Okay, so I'm frying the ground. I told you guys I'm gonna share my taco soup recipe. I'm frying the ground beef now. Then I'm going to add everything to it afterwards, after the ground beef's all done. Show you everything I'm using. It's pretty much stuff that people would have on hand. Nothing like over the top. You don't need like special ingredients, like unique ingredients or anything like that. And it's great for a nice cold day. I'm gonna season my meat real quick with some pepper, garlic salt, don't mind my mess in the back. I'm in the process of cleaning my kitchen still. It's like never ending. I feel like I clean, and it's just never ending. Okay. I am going to drain it. I'm adding 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of rotel, and some diced tomatoes. And I may put a bell pepper in it. I don't know. let it simmer and cook for a little bit, and I'll show you guys the after product. But I pretty much showed you guys everything I used. 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of corn, chicken stock or chicken broth, onion, bell pepper, diced tomatoes, rotel. So yeah, pretty much anything you want. Look how pretty the fireplace is. I'm just sitting down now, watching whatever this is, Rockefeller something, I don't know. Gonna relax. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Last thing I did was showing you guys how I did my taco soup for dinner. It's boiling right now. So at the end I'll include a picture of how we ate it, because it's getting later and I want to get this edited and put up. So I'm going to end it here. Have a great night, and I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow again. Have a good night. Bye.